Hello guys, today's class we are going to see about efficiency of a transformer and the condition for the maximum efficiency of a transformer. Generally for any electrical machine, the efficiency can be defined as the output by input. Here the eta is nothing but the representation for the efficiency. It is output power, the ratio of the output power to the input power. The input power can be written as the output power plus losses. So the efficiency can be written as output power divided by output power plus the losses. Again it consists of two losses, that is iron losses and copper losses. So you can substitute for the output power, that is V2 I2 phi 2, and for the iron loss it is Pi, and for the copper loss it is Pc, where V2 is the secondary terminal voltage, I2 is the full load secondary current, cos phi 2 is the power factor of the load, Pi is the iron loss, and Pc is the full load copper loss. The efficiency can also be defined as, here we substituted for the input power, you can also substitute for the output power. So efficiency is input power minus losses divided by input power. So input power by input power gives you 1, so 1 minus losses by the input power. Condition for maximum efficiency. The efficiency of the transformer along with the load and the power factor is expressed as just now we have seen. It is V2 I2 cos phi 2 is nothing but the output power. So here output by input, the output power, output plus losses. So here for the copper loss it is substituted as I squared R. Since it is the full load, on the output side, the full load current I2 squared, RES is nothing but the resistance of the secondary. So here V2 I2, V2 cos phi 2, when it is divided by I2 in the both in the numerator and the denominator, so it will become V2 cos phi 2. Here for V2 I2, I2 will be cancelled, so V2 cos phi 2. Here Pi by I2 plus I2 by R, I2 into R. So here this expression when divided by I2, both the numerator and the denominator divided by I2. So here V2 is approximately constant. When you look at the numerator, V2 is constant, but here the I2 is the variable one. So the transformer efficiency depends on the I2. The numerator is constant. So the transformer efficiency will be maximum if the denominator with respect to the variable I2 is equated to 0. When this is differentiated with respect to I2 and equated to 0, we can find out the condition for the maximum efficiency. So take the denominator, it is nothing but V2 cos phi 2 plus Pi by I2 plus I2R. When that is differentiated, here V2 is constant, since this is also constant, this entire term will be 0. This Pi by I2, Pi is constant, written as such, it is 1 by I2, that is 1 by x, differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. The same way it is written as minus 1 by I2 square. So it is nothing but Pi by I2 square. For I2 R is constant, so written as such, di by dt, since it is with respect to this, it is differentiated, this will become 1. So it is nothing but P minus Pi by I2 squared plus R is equal to 0. So bring this R to the right hand side and P, you will get it as Pi is equal to I2 squared into R. So Pi is nothing but the iron loss. This I2 squared R is nothing but copper loss. So you can say the copper loss should be equal to iron loss. This is the condition for the maximum efficiency. copper loss is equal to iron loss. Thus the transformer will give the maximum efficiency when their copper loss is equal to the iron loss. So efficiency maximum can be written as V2I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2I2 cos phi 2. Since iron loss is equal to copper loss, this can be written as either 2Pi or 2PCU. The value of the output current I2 at which the transformer efficiency will be maximum is given as I2 is equal to root of Pi by Res. So this is calculated from the previous one, that is here it is given as using this equation I2 squared R, I squared R is equal to Pi. Using that it is written for I2 is equal to square root of the iron loss divided by R. If X is the fraction of full load kVA at which the efficiency of the transformer is maximum, then you can write copper loss is equal to X squared Pc. It is the fraction of full load kVA. Then iron loss is written as Pa. So since iron loss is equal to the copper loss, that is the condition for the maximum efficiency, you can equate these two, that is X squared Pc is equal to Pi. Therefore X is nothing but square root of Pi by Pc. Thus the output kVA corresponding to the maximum efficiency is, efficiency maximum is nothing but what is that fraction, that X into full load kVA. Output kVA corresponding to maximum efficiency is nothing but that fraction into that full load kVA. When you substitute for X is nothing but square root of Pi by Pc. So efficiency, maximum efficiency is nothing but square root of Pi by Pc into full load kVA. So efficiency maximum is equal to full load kVA into, when you substitute for Pa is nothing but the iron loss, Pc is nothing but the copper loss at the full load. That's all about the maximum condition for the maximum efficiency of the transformer. And for the numericals you can refer notes. It all the problems all direct substitution problem only. So if at all any queries you can contact me. Thank you. Thank you for listening.